the Amalfi Coast, one of Italy's most beautiful travel destinations, and it's easy to see why. We're standing right here on the biggest beach in town, gonna show you everything there is to do and enjoy in the Amalfi Coast. There's two main ways to get here. The first being a private driver, which is obviously the easiest way to get anywhere. But if that's not quite in the budget, you can take a ferry from Naples or Sorrento straight to Positano, get off the boat, drop off your luggage with the porter, and then hit the beach, hit the town, and enjoy the rest of the day. So excited to be in this beautiful place again. And I'm kind of eager to get in the water. We finished our photos and we're about to have some lunch, but first, time for swimsuits. Unfortunately, nowhere in Amalfi has white sandy beaches. It is little tiny stab your feet pebbles. So as cool as they are, you definitely want water shoes because there's no way to look cool when you're just hobbling around from pain anyway. So these little $10 Amazon suckers are key. And the nude ones you can't see underwater like you can any other colors. They kind of just blend in with your feet. So now we're good to go. Let's see how freezing cold this water is. I think, I was about to say it's July, but it's really not. It's real cold. After a swimming attempt, which failed miserably, it's still time for lunch. So I'm just gonna sit right here and let it come to us. Scan the QR code. Probably order some pizza and a spritz.
Came to Positano last year and kind of had a rough time, at least for the first little while, because it was so difficult to get to. We took a really long train that took extra long, and then we didn't know how to get to our Airbnb, and we got lost, and we went all the way down and then all the way back up. And if you've ever been to Positano, you know how crazy that is, especially with luggage. We did it the right way this time. We took the ferry, got on the beach, got our chairs, and we're just gonna relax all day long.
The sun definitely went behind the clouds and it's a bit of a bummer beach day if we're honest. But thank God the rain is actually holding off, but also the fact that it looks like it might rain has held off the crowds. We have the town a little bit quieter today, which means much better for exploring. So we very much enjoy Positano, but it does feel like a resort town because it basically is. It's basically a beach town, just like anywhere you go in Florida or anything when what is there to do besides the beach? Shop around for tourist stuff. Yep, that's what there is here too.
And with your water shoes, make sure to bring your walking shoes because you're gonna be walking up 1,000 stairs to go to these shops, and especially if you stay at an Airbnb here, you're gonna be walking up a lot of stairs. Just trust us.
Another beautiful thing about walking through town, much of it is like terraced off with beautiful greenery. I don't know if terraced is the right word, roofed with greenery. Very lush. So Kalina Bakery is where you gotta go for all of your American needs, including iced coffee. I was gonna go get gelato, then I saw €6. Worth every penny when it's been 2 months. Okay. It's actually really good. So the shopping streets really just continue and circle the town. That's basically what there is to do aside from the beach and eating. And shopping looks like a lot of linen and a lot of lemons. There is so much lemon culture. If you've seen our Capri video from last year, Andrew is repping the lemon culture with this lemon shirt.
Repping the lemon culture.
Which I love dearly. But there's so many lemon shirts and lemon everything here. It's just precious, and clearly I love linen and wear it almost all the time. And there's so many linen things, but you're not gonna get hardly anything for under $100 unless it's like a tiny little trinket. Another Amalfi Coast product is they hand make leather sandals like for you in front of you, so they fit so well. It's not in the budget at the moment, the next time. So last year we were total rookies, and we were just laughing about how we're both from very, very flat places of Iowa and Louisiana. We have no reference to mountains, and so we chose the most difficult path to come with all of our luggage and all of our things and try to find our Airbnb, and it was a disaster, and we got to these stairs. So mind you, we've gone from one side of the mountain to the other in a way that goes down and then back up and then up these stairs instead of just around the mountain. And this older Italian gentleman stops and goes, "Oh, these are the local stairs," and looked genuinely so just like, "Oh no, honey." We'll never forget. But yeah, so welcome to the local stairs, and please use the porter. I think we just saw one go down the road. They take your suitcases for you and save everything about your being and your vacation. We've stayed in almost all of the most popular locations. We've stayed in Amalfi, and Positano, and Capri, and Naples, and Sorrento, and Positano is the place to be. It's the best spot to really just dive into the city and the coast and then take easy day trips from here without it taking forever or being engrossed things and having to go back and forth all the time. This is as central as it gets. Positano is the perfect launching pad for so many day trips. Starting with Capri, and while Capri deserves so much more than a one-day visit, we recommend 2 or 3 actually, you have to visit while you're in the Amalfi Coast. From the stunning cliffs to the amazing Blue Grotto, shopping, and the Anna Capri chairlift, which is kind of terrifying but also very cool, there is so much to enjoy in Capri. Another perfect day trip is combining the towns of Amalfi and Ravello. Take a ferry over to Amalfi, enjoy the coast namesake as you shop and look around the cute little town, and then take a bus up to Ravello to see the view from there. And if you're into history, take a ferry to nearby Naples and then take a train ride to Pompeii and Vesuvius. We have fallen in love with the Amalfi Coast and hope this guide and vlog was helpful for you planning your trip. If you want some extra tips and tricks in planning your Amalfi Coast vacation, head to our blog at andrewandkate.com for more info. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.